Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to crop images using the CSS transform property. That is, you can scale, rotate and translate images. So here you can see firstly I have created a project using Vite. You don't really need Vite for this. You can create normal index.html as well as CSS file. And here you can see first I'll show you guys the code. Inside public folder I have added this image which I'm using it. And if you see inside my index.html, we are first referencing our styles.css file. Here is our div. Inside that I have taken this particular image. I have this h1 tag as well, and I have given some width, border radius, border as well as border radius. Overflow is hidden because if you see this particular image, I want this corner radius. I don't want the image to move it outside our div. That's why without applying any corner radius to our image, if we apply overflow hidden to our div, it will automatically remove those unnecessary parts from our image. Now if you see the image style, here I have taken a width of 100%, height is auto, and object fit is cover. Now coming back to the transform property, so here you can see here is our transform property. So here you can either apply the scale of 1.5. so here you can see our image has grown, or you can just apply this translate one. For x horizontal plane I have kept it 0, for y I have kept it as 5%. Here you can see this is how it looks like. You can change this value to 50%, and this is how it will look like. And the rotation, here I have kept it as 30 degree. So here you can see the image has been rotated by 30 degree. So yeah, that's how. You don't need to apply this. If you only want the rotation, you can do something like this as well. So yeah, that's how we can crop images using scale, rotate and translate of CSS transform. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.